Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to factory reset Gtheos Captain 300 headset. So if you're interested, let's get started. So first thing that you want to do here is we need to understand there's two modes that you could use here on our headset. So your Gtheos Captain 300 headset supports two wireless connection types, either Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz wireless via the USB adapter here. And the headset can switch between these two modes here with a long press with the multifunction button, or in this case going to be this button here, or the light switch button. So yeah, so if you're having troubles with your Bluetooth here, what you need to do is you want to hold the mode button, or in this case the button here, for about like 3 seconds until the headset says Bluetooth mode. Now, in this case, you want to turn off Bluetooth, or turn off Bluetooth on your headset here, and on your phone, or in this case, your computer. Go to Bluetooth settings, and then forget the actual headset and remove from the paired list. Now, you want to turn Bluetooth mode back on by holding the button that we pressed before again. And in this case, again, 3 full seconds, and now try pairing your headset from scratch since that headset isn't linked to any other member device, so it should connect cleanly. Now, in this case, if you're having problems with the dongle mode here, so what you need to do is you want to switch your headset to adapter mode. So by holding the mode button or the light switch button here for about 3 seconds again, unplug the USB dongle from your device or PC console or whatever here, wait for a few seconds and plug the dongle back in. And this acts like a soft reset, as we say, but make sure the headset is back in adapter mode and try reconnecting it. But yeah. So in this case, if this doesn't work, so there's still a few things that you do. So there's no actual factory reset you can access with the headset, but there are other things that you could try, like what we just did here with just unpairing and remove it. You could go and try switching modes instead. So sometimes, like if you're using Bluetooth mode, try switching to adapter mode, then go back into Bluetooth mode. Sometimes that actually helps. And you could also try power cycling your device here, just in case that actually helps. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.